In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to activate screen touch sounds on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then find and select sound and vibration and go to more sound settings. Here you will notice screen touch right here, smoothly marked, and from now on, as you can hear, it is active. And this is it, that will be all. Obviously you can switch it off the same way, smoothly open the settings, go to sounds and vibration and unmark screen touch. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.